Alright, we're back to working on the Kawasaki mule. Thought I'd just make a quick little video on a fuel gauge. If you saw in the previous video where I pointed towards this and it was all white, and I said I didn't know what it was. Well, it turns out this is a fuel gauge, and it was all white because the sun faded everything up. Anyway, I took the cover off, and I found the float and the little gauge thing floating inside, which this is broke off, not be able to fix it. So I went on to eBay and I found a brand new one. Most places were wanting around $20 for one of these. I found this, I kept shopping and I found this one. It was like $7.50. So I thought I'd show how easy it is to replace. Comes with everything. The other one, this was all clouded up, you couldn't see, and it just, as the float level moves, the gauge moves. Anyway, I got this sanded down and cleaned off. So now we'll just slide it in, line the holes up, and tighten it down so that it seals up pretty good. And that's all there is to it. And pretty much anybody can do this. And as you can see, there's about half a tank of gas in it, which is, yeah, correct. I'll just get some black paint and touch up around the silver part there. But there you go. If you've got one of these, or if you got something else that uses a gauge like this. I found this on eBay. I paid for it. They didn't give it to me. And like I said, it was like $7.50 with free shipping. That was 3 days ago I ordered it, and here it is now. I've got it and put it in. So, quick little video on that for the mule. The next video I will see about getting the four-wheel drive parts put back on, and we'll see what's wrong with that, why that stuff was taken off. So, if you want to see that, be sure you subscribe to see the video. And remember, all the subscribers, once I get to 500, I'll be giving away the boat motor, whoever wins that. And then after I get to 1,000 subs, I'll give away something else. So it's like every 500 subs I get, there'll be a free giveaway. Just whatever I'm trying to do to help the channel get going. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. There goes a bat flying around. And they're hard to find. That's one of the planets, I don't know which. There's the moon. And there's a bat flying around some more.